live. Yeah, we're live. Amanda, thank you for joining me today. I'm Deborah Razzo. I'm the founder of the Women's Real Estate Network, and we're here talking to Amanda Williams. And we're going to talk about innovation because we have this event coming up called Ignite and Innovate. And Amanda is going to be one of our speakers on innovation. Now, you might be wondering, why is Amanda speaking on innovation? Well, because she's involved with one of the most innovative companies around. Amanda, let's talk about EXP and what EXP is all about.
Yes, absolutely. So EXP in a nutshell is the fastest growing real estate tech company in the world. And we are not new. We've been around since 2009, but we have had hockey stick growth. So it's been pretty amazing.
It is pretty amazing. And, it's what's amazing to me. We were just talking about this. EXP, it was like they had foresight that we were going to be in a pandemic, right? So, if for those of you that don't know, EXP is it's not in every country, but it's expanding very rapidly into every country, worldwide brokerage firm, right? And it's unique and a tech company because the whole brokerage firm is in a cloud, right? So for all those brick and mortar brokerages that were lost during the pandemic, EXP was thriving, which is really incredible. I mean, and the founder had the vision to do that, which I think is one of the wonderful things about innovation, having the vision and then putting the action behind it.
Yeah, absolutely. You know what was crazy? When COVID hit, everyone was having to cancel their events. And we had a shareholders meeting that was scheduled. And we usually do our shareholders meeting live. And we had to cancel the live event, but we moved it to our cloud office. And we had a virtual summit, literally, a month and a half after COVID hit and everything shut down. And it went without a beat. I'm talking, we had our vendor areas. We had over 16,000 agents in this conference in our cloud office. And so, yeah, we were built for this.
Right. Okay. First, those people that don't know, explain what the cloud office is and explain, how EXP works a little bit.
Okay, so EXP is built on a software and it's called Verbella, and it's actually a video gaming software. So a lot of people get a little confused. They're like, wait, that's that virtual company. Well, kinda, but we actually have an office that we go to. We can actually log in and we go into the office as an avatar, like you're playing a video game. Yeah. But there's over 1,000 employees that work in the office. There are, tech support, accounting, payroll processing. There's your brokers. Every state in the US has an office. Every country has an office. And so I literally have a list, whenever I have my questions, and I log in as my avatar and I walk to the office. And I go and I sit with someone else who is working a 9-to-5 job or whatever it is, from their home, but they're in the office. And I can literally get all of my questions answered in a matter of minutes. And it is the most time-saving thing I have ever been involved in. In the beginning, I was like, what? Cartoon? Avatar? I don't understand. But now that we're working in it, it's just one of those things that is like, holy cow, like this is the future. And it really is, because it's not just us using it now. Like, we bought the software and now we are selling it to larger companies that are looking to take their business online as well, like L'Oreal and Boeing and Hartford and Stanford College has bought it. And so it's really exciting to be able to be like that ahead in technology.
And it's really interesting that the real estate technology is the one that's bringing them to all these, national companies. I think that's really, really interesting too. I want to stop for a minute because you said something that I'd like to capitalize on, and that is, it's like switching over from a traditional brokerage. Now, ladies out there that are listening, don't let Amanda's really cute looks fool you. She is a badass broker, and she has been doing this real estate game for a long time. So it's not like she doesn't have the traditional background. You do, right? In fact, she is an investor agent, and she has her whole brand on that. So tell people a little bit about your background and that transition to EXP and why you made it.
Yeah, definitely. So I got involved in real estate back in 2007-ish, pretty much right before the crash. So I lost it all, along with a lot of you. But then I ended up getting back in 2012-ish, and I got in with long-term rental properties. And so started that. Then we started flipping houses. I got my real estate license because I didn't want to pay a real estate agent to sell my houses. That was the reason why I got licensed. And started, flipping houses, selling our own houses, got busy, didn't want to pay my broker the 30% for not really getting anything in return. So went and started my own real estate firm. And about 9 months after I started my real estate firm is whenever EXP kind of found me, I guess. And I was like, no way, I'm so happy. Like, I'm 100%. I finally got my company. And then after I saw it and I studied the model, I literally looked at this thing for like 3 days and I'm like, this is a no-brainer. And I would be an idiot not to jump on board. And that was in June of 2017. There was 3,000 agents. We were a public company then. The stock was trading at $2.42. And as of today, we are, let's see, I don't even know what our stock's trading at right now, but we are over 65,000 agents.
Wow.
Our stock is at almost $46 right now. Yeah. And we've already had a split. So really that's $90.
Right. Okay. So I just want to, we're just going to give you a taste of what Amanda's going to be talking about at Ignite and Innovate. So for all you ladies out here that want to take a look at a different way that things can be done, we haven't even gotten into some of the other ways that you can create cash flow from yourself, for yourself through EXP, which we'll save for Ignite. But please, go to www.igniteandinnovate.com and sign up, because we're going to have amazing speakers talking about all kinds of innovations in real estate and things that you need to know about. Thank you, Amanda, so much for taking some time with us today and helping us generate this feeling of innovation all over the place. I really appreciate it.
I can't wait to share more. It's going to be such a great event. So I can't wait to meet all of you there.
Thank you. See you guys there.